it died on me. It comes on and then immediately switches off. I've done everything I can to try and eliminate the problem, but it just doesn't seem to want to go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to play with it, and I'm going to take you guys on the journey with me. But before I do that, what I want to show you is this strip here. What I'm going to do initially is to remove this strip out, put it in an external reader so I can actually capture my data from it. Because I've got quite a lot of data in there that I do actually want to retain. So hopefully I'm able to do that. But this morning I actually received a new toy, and this is it. And I'm going to take you guys through the unboxing, and you will see, just as the conspiracy theory movies that I watch, I've actually blacked out. I've learned quite a bit from these people. So you black out everything. Right, so let's go through this. Let's unbox this baby and see what it is. Can you imagine? You guys are going to be the first to see this with me. Right. Nice box. So as you'll see, I had a MacBook Pro, which I didn't actually use as much as I should have, or it should be used. So what I've done is I think I've downgraded, but many people say that this is just as compatible. But anyway, it's a MacBook Air this time. So let's open it up. It's going to be the right way up for me and the wrong way up for you guys. I'm sure you'll forgive me. Whoa. Now that really is a thing of beauty. And it is so lightweight. It's just amazing. Okay, so before we power it up, let's see what's in the box. Right, I've got a plug. You ever get the feeling that you want to open these boxes and you feel that there's going to be so many goodies in there, and all you get is a plug and a cable? It's a bit of a letdown, you know. Maybe they should put a packet of sweets in here or something, you know. Yeah, gonna come to the end of it one day. Yep, there you go. We're there. Okay. And there we go. Now one thing I don't do is I never use these. Maybe I should use it today. Hold on, I'll come back to you in a minute. Okay, I brought a power supply so we can plug this in without the lead. Like I said, look at the space waste. Could at least put a bar of chocolate in there, you know? Apple, if you're watching, bar of chocolate, yeah? Okay, you never know, there might be some goodies in here. Okay, got some Apple logos. Guys, comment on the video below, and if you want these, I will send them to you. Yeah. The crazy thing is, the MacBook is as easy to use as that. That's all you need. They're not wrong there. Right. Now this belongs to a subscriber. You subscribe to my channel, tell me you want them, and the first one to tell me they want it, I'll send it out to you. Okay. Ah, look at that. It's crazy, isn't it? Okay. That's it. I can't send it back now. I've got to keep it. Wow. It is a thing of beauty. I don't know if you can see this now, guys. Turn around, I think. There we go. I think we should start her up. Okay. What do you guys think? Do you think I should wait until the light turns green and it's fully charged before I spark her up, or do you think I should spark her up now? Comments below. Come back to you in a minute. Okay, we're back now. As you see, the battery is fully charged and I'm just about to spark her up. Oh, no, that's a familiar sound. Yeah, this is absolutely wafer thin. Amazing. I don't know how they do it. Okay. So okay, bear with me. I'm going to put you on hold for a minute while I go and get the Wi-Fi key. Okay, I've just put the Wi-Fi key in. Let's see if it works. I think the light one's much better. I think that's it, guys. We're in. Okay, it seems to have all done now. Don't think I've set up a password, so it should let me in anyway. Okay, so it's actually somehow taken off my password from my account. Okay, so this is it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed yourselves as much as I have, showing you my new toy. Please put your comments in the box underneath. And I think the next video is going to be about a Brita filter. I've got a Brita filter connected to my sink, and I'm going to take it out and I'm going to change it, and then I want to cut the filter open because it's been in there for nearly 2 years now. So subscribe and click the bell and you'll get a notification when I put that video up. Thank you very much for joining me. Thanks. Bye.